Pixie, come on. Pixie, come on. Good morning. Good morning. I'm hanging on to Missy here because Missy Mouse. Wait. Hello, Missy. Who's that? Is that Pixie? Oh, she climbed all the way up there. Come on, Pixie. Come on, baby. Come on. Pixie. Pixie Poo. Missy Moo and Pixie Poo. That is a candle. Anyway, I'm going to have to put Missy outside, I think. Let's see. Missy, come. Missy, come.